Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Afya 360, and this is where we have hot conversations around fitness and health. My name is Ken O and I am a fitness enthusiast. This is the best show north of Limpopo, south of Sahara, east of Africa, and we are here to talk about discipline. How do you ensure you train every day or every other day depending on your program? The first thing you must put in place, you need to have an accountability partner. This could be your personal trainer. This could be your spouse. Just make sure that when you have a conflict, he or she will not be telling you on your squatting, go lower, go down, and they are trying to just get even at you because of last night's beef. Anyway, have an accountability partner. Number two, you need to build a community. Have a sense of community. Have people who love working out with you. And I am in a WhatsApp group where we have hikers, we have bikers, cyclists, we have guys who lift weights in the gym, guys who have home gyms in the same group, and we post our sweat pics right there. And we encourage one another. Have a sense of community. Take advantage of all these technologies we have around us. Number three, have an accountability tool, a gadget. This could be your phone, it could be an application, it could be a fitbit, could be a smartwatch. Take count of the calories you're burning. How many steps are you walking every day? How many times are you seated? Are you sitting more than 1 hour? You need to start pacing around the office or at your home if you're working from home. You need to have these gadgets. Then number four, you need to stack habits. I'm sure you've read the book Atomic Habits. If you usually drop the kids in the morning, then plan to either train before you drop the kids to school or after you drop them to school, or plan to work out before you go to the gym or after going to the gym. You just need to stack the habits with something you do on a regular basis. And also identify a gym that is closer to your office or closer to your home. Something that will be practical for you so that you can stack the habits as you go to work or as you go home. It becomes easier for you to develop the habits. Again, number five, you need to hang around people who love working out. That should be your crowd. That's your clique. Even your bogiako, my friend. Hang around people who eat well, drink less. When I say drink less, I mean alcohol. Or not at all. And you will be able to keep the habit. The other thing you need to do, schedule times for working out. If you work out every day at 6, let it be. If it's every day at 7 p.m., let it be. Schedule consistent, regular workout sessions. Again, you also need to schedule rest. If you rest every other day, keep it that way. If you rest over the weekends, like for me, I work out Monday to Friday, I rest on Saturday and Sunday, then keep it that way. You need to figure out and understand your body. And that's the way to keep fit. Of course, always read good books, read autobiographies, follow the people who work out on Instagram, on TikTok, make that community online, and all that will keep reminding you on where you are going. And of course, always eat well. To remain disciplined, you need to eat well too. You need the energy to lift those weights and to pump up that heart for the cardio. Keep it here, keep it locked, and remember, discipline is everything. Consistency is the only difference between those who make it in the workout industry and those who do not. It's all about discipline, discipline, discipline. Consistency, consistency, and yet again I say, be consistent. Keep it here, keep it locked, follow those tips. Comment on my channel. See you next time. Remain accountable. I will keep you accountable as well on the YouTube channel. Asante sana.